Find the magnetic field at the center of two circular coils inclined at 90 degree. Here we have two circular coils. The first one is this coil of radius R1, carries a current I1. The second is this coil. It has radius R2 and carries current I2. We have to find magnetic field at the center of the two coils. Now let us find the magnetic field when the two coils are inclined at angle theta degree. The first coil carries current I1 and has radius R1. Magnetic field due to this coil is upwards. The second coil carries current I2. It has radius R2. By right hand grip rule, its magnetic field is towards right. Let theta be the angle between B1 and B2. We can use parallelogram law of vector addition to find the net magnetic field. So net magnetic field B is equal to root of B1 square plus B2 square plus 2 B1 B2 cos theta, where theta is the angle between two magnetic fields B1 and B2. The given question, the magnetic field, the two coils are inclined at 90 degree. So the magnetic field due to the first coil is vertically upwards and due to the second coil is towards right. So in this equation, B is equal to root of B1 square plus B2 square plus 2B1 B2 cos theta. Instead of theta, we can substitute 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. So B is equal to root of B1 square plus B2 square. We have the equation for magnetic field to a circular loop at a distance x from the loop, mu 0 n I a square by 2 into a square plus x square raised to 3 by 2, where a is the radius of the loop. The magnetic field at the center, that is when x is equal to 0, we can substitute here x is equal to 0 to find magnetic field at the center of the loop. We get B is equal to mu 0 Ni by 2a. We can use this equation to find magnetic field due to the two loops at the center. We are going to use this equation to find the magnetic field. So B1, that is magnetic field due to the first loop carrying current I1 and having radius R1, mu 0 n I1 by 2 R1, and magnetic field B2 due to the second loop carrying current I2 and having radius R2, mu 0 n I2 by 2 R2. We can substitute in the equation. Instead of B1 square, we can substitute this value. Instead of B2 square, we can substitute this value. Now mu 0 square is common, n square common, and 2 square, that is 4 common. We can take them outside. So B is equal to root of mu 0 square n square by 4 into I1 square R1 square plus I2 square by R2 square. Now if both the currents are same, that is I1 equal to I2 equal to I, and both have the same radius, that is R1 equal to R, R2 equal to R. We can substitute instead of I1 and I2, I, and R1 and R2, R. So root of mu 0 square n square by 4 into I square by r square plus I square by r square, that is 2 times I square by r square. On taking square root, we have mu 0 n I by r. Here root of 4 is 2. So only 2 is left behind. So we have root 2. That is net magnetic field B is equal to root 2 into mu 0 Ni by 2R.